Hey guys, welcome back to DK's Garage. It is a beautiful sunny Saturday afternoon in Wisconsin. That's why we're here in the shop working on the Camaro. If you recall from the last video, we showed you the upgrades that we've got going on with the 69. We're to the point where we need to join the motor and transmission and get this bad boy assembled. Part of that assembly process requires you to check your air gap on the throwout bearing as it relates to the clutch and the ball housing. In this case, we had about a 1/2 inch air gap, which is great because you know you're not going to bottom that throwout bearing out. The problem is with the 98 to 02 F-body GM throwout bearing, you've got about 1 inch of travel from bottom to top. And with a 1/2 inch air gap, that left me about a 1/2 inch of travel to deal with on this bearing, and I need about 0.450 on the clutch to disengage it. What made me uncomfortable was we were at the outer limits of this bearing's throw. So a couple solutions. I could buy this spacer kit, which you see online. It's 3 pieces, various thicknesses. The issue is when you stack all these together, in my particular case, to get the distance I needed, when you put these in, you're no longer engaged in this machine area in the back of this throwout bearing, and you've got nothing to gather on this machine area on the transmission. That's going to allow for side-to-side movement of the bearing, which granted there's not a lot of lateral movement on this, but it's not something I think you want to deal with. This particular piece is made out of aluminum. This is hardened steel. This is going to lose if those two start to contact one another. So it's really important that you keep this bearing centered over the input shaft here. So I'm back online and I came across a website for Mantic Clutch. And I saw on their website they had these really awesome machine spacers. So I gave these guys a call, talked to Jeff, super knowledgeable guy, super friendly, easy to deal with. And I told him what I was dealing with and he said, well, you know, Dave, you could probably put that in and it would work, but you're right, it's at the end of the travel. You could get a different throwout bearing with more travel. I think the Ford piece has 1 3/8. That was a solution. Or these spacers that they make. And what's really cool about this, they're machined out of aluminum. They have a recess in the back, so that means when you put it on the transmission, it locks in and engages. When you put it on the back of the throwout bearing, it locks in. There's no side-to-side movement. These two pieces together, when you put it on the transmission, there's no side-to-side movement. You're not going to have to worry about the bearing coming in contact with the input shaft. You button these down with the 6mm screws and you're good to go. So this was an awesome, awesome solution. I would give these guys at Mantic a call. The link is below. Super easy to deal with. They have a full line of clutches, drivetrain products. They can help you out. They know their stuff. And I want to give a shout out and thank Jeff for hooking me up with this. In the next episode, we're going to put the transmission, bolt everything back up, get it in the DSE subframe, and get that back in the car. So, hey, you guys, thanks for stopping by, checking it out. Look forward to making another video. Thanks for coming by. Take care.